No more 7-day quarantine for international travelers. Transit passengers traveling to India by an international flight can now be tested for COVID-19 at the Delhi's international airport itself. The procedure is simple. As soon as you land in Delhi, your passport will be taken by Delhi government authorities after immigration check. Passengers will then have to register for a COVID-19 RT-PCR test.
At the testing center here, where you register for a test as per the ICMR guidelines, before that you will also have to submit your passport to the Delhi government authorities so that you are registered and counted here. After you do your registration, you will come here, and this will be the place where you will submit your documents.
After registering at the desk, the swab sample will be collected by trained lab technicians.
So this whole area has been specifically dedicated for this very purpose. And this is a lounge area after which you could submit your samples at any of these places. The authorities at the airport have decided that they will keep more than 3 to 4 places where you can submit your samples for testing.
After that, passengers will be taken to a lounge where they have to spend 4 to 6 hours. The airport authorities have ensured social distancing in the lounge.
There are officials of the Delhi International Airport to help you come to your designated seat. So when you register yourself, you will also get a numbered seat. So these are the sleeping pods that are being readied for passengers. They are being sanitized at this point of time. And right now, this area will be designated for your luggage. Here is where you will leave your luggage once you enter the lounge.
The test and lounge stay will cost 5,000 rupees per passenger. If tested negative, the passport will be returned, else the passenger will be isolated at the waiting lounge, or they may opt to stay at a hotel. The authorities say this will help passengers save time.
So you come here, test, wait for 4 to 6 hours, and from there on, if you want to go to another state, you can book a flight after a gap of at least 8 hours and then proceed. With Ajay Kumar, this is Milan Sharma for India Today.